A trip to the wild. Are you ready for the adventure? Okay, as you can see on this map, we are here in Argentina in South America, and our destination is the African continent. So let's go! And we are here! We are in Africa! Isn't this amazing? Well, look, there are lots of animals here. I can see a coyote, a meerkat, an elephant, a hyena, a crocodile, a lion, a gorilla, chameleons, and a pelican, and lots of other animals. So, to learn about these animals, you have to click on each picture, okay? Well, let's start reading and listening about them. Elephants are large animals. They are gray and they have big floppy ears, a long trunk, big tusks, and a short tail. They use their floppy ears to regulate their body temperature. They are herbivores. They eat leaves, tree branches, fruits, and tree bark. They live in the savanna and rainforests. Elephants are the largest land animals in the world. Crocodiles are reptiles. They live mainly in rivers and tropical areas of Africa. They are excellent swimmers. They can spend short times on land too. They have a big mouth, a long tail, and a rigid skin that protects them like an armor. Crocodiles are carnivores. The little ones eat crabs, frogs, turtles, insects, and other small animals. Adult crocodiles eat bigger animals like fish, aquatic birds, zebras, and antelopes. Coyotes are similar to wolves, but they are thinner and have longer ears than wolves. They live in semi-desert areas of the north and northeast of Africa. Coyotes are mainly carnivores. They eat animals like reptiles, hares, rabbits, snakes, mammals, and birds. They also eat carrion and fruits. Meerkats are small animals that live in semi-desert areas of South Africa. They are light brown and have dark stripes on their back. They have a long, thin body and a long, light tail. They have an elongated snout, a black nose, and dark colored bands around their eyes. Meerkats also have long, sharp claws on their front legs. These claws help them to dig and find small animals under the sand. Meerkats are omnivores. They eat snakes, lizards, small mammals, and occasionally eggs, plants, and fruits. There are different types of hyenas. The spotted hyena lives in the grasslands and plains of Central, Eastern, and Southern Africa. Hyenas have a yellowish or reddish short fur with brown spots. Hyenas are carnivores. They eat living and dead animals such as insects, zebras, wild beasts, birds, snakes, and giraffes. They have claws on their feet that allow them to run at high speed to catch their prey. They produce a howl that is similar to human laugh. Gorillas are the largest species of primates. They live mainly in tropical forests of Central Africa that have a lot of vegetation. They have similar characteristics to the human beings. For example, they possess unique fingerprints that make them different from one another. They are essentially vegetarian. They eat fruits, leaves, seeds, stems, and only some insects such as snails, ants, and caterpillars that represent 1 or 2% of their diet. So, they eat mainly fruit, leaves, seeds, and stems, and insects such as snails, ants, and caterpillar only represent 1 or 2% of their diets. There are two kinds of pelicans in Africa, the common pelican and the pink pelican. Pelicans live near lakes and rivers. Both types are birds with long straight beaks. The common pelican has white feathers with pink facial spots and pink legs. The pink pelican has gray and white feathers and in some cases pink feathers on its back. They eat mainly fish. They use their huge beaks to catch their prey. They generally complete their diet with crustaceans, frogs, toads, insects, and small reptiles. African lions live in the savanna and open forests of the center, east, and south of Africa. They are carnivores. They eat medium and large animals such as wild beasts, antelopes, zebras, giraffes, buffaloes, and they also eat carrion. They have strong legs, strong fangs, and strong jaws. They use them to catch and kill their prey. Male lions have mane, but females doesn't. In Africa, there are more than 150 species of chameleons. They live in mountains, jungles, savannas, and even desert and semi-desert areas of the continent. Chameleons have a fast and long sticky tongue that they use to hunt their food. They eat insects. They can move one eye without moving the other. And some chameleons can even change color depending on the circumstances. They are of different sizes. The smallest species live in Madagascar and don't exceed 1.5 centimeters. Well, kids, I have to ask you, did you like visiting Africa? Yes. As you see, there are lots of animals there. Did you like the animals? Well, we have to return to Argentina, okay? So, let's go to Argentina again. Welcome back! Welcome back to Argentina. As you can see, in Argentina there are also many animals. We are going to meet 3 of these animals: the capybara, the alligator, and the Patagonian penguin. So, to learn about these animals, please click on each picture, okay? See you soon! Alligators are similar to crocodiles, but they are not the same. They are smaller than crocodiles and they have different snouts. Crocodiles have V-shaped snouts and alligators have U-shaped snouts. In Entre Rios, we find the black alligator. Capybaras are rodents. In Argentina, capybaras live in the northeast and central east of the country, mainly in Corrientes province. They live near lakes, rivers, and areas with lots of vegetation. They are subaquatic animals. They spend time on land and water. They have small eyes, small ears, short legs, and they haven't tail. They have a large snout and big incisor teeth, like mice. They have a rough and thin fur. They are herbivores. They eat land vegetation, aquatic plants, watermelon, and corn. They are the largest living rodent in the world. Magellanic penguins or Patagonian penguins are a type of bird. They live in the Patagonian region where they build their nests and put their eggs during springtime. In winter, they migrate to warmer areas. These type of penguins are between 35 to 45 centimeters tall. They have short black feathers on their back and white feathers on their belly. They have short, strong wings. They can't fly with them, but they can swim fast. They can also walk on land or ice. To go faster, they slide with their bellies on the ice. They eat small fish, squids, octopus, and crustaceans. Well, dear students, this is the end of our trip, and I really hope that you have enjoyed this presentation because I did it with a lot of love for you. See you in class!